Let's talk about this Unit 8 portfolio and just make sure you understand what you are being asked to do. In number 1, for parts A, B, C, and D, I give you 2 equations. You are supposed to solve this system by graphing. So to solve a system means to give an x and a y that makes both equations true at the same time. So solve this graphically. You'll get a different solution for each one, and then in part E, an explanation of what you did to find those solutions. For number 2, here, rather than having you write an exponential equation, I'm already giving you an exponential equation, and you've got to work it backward. So I need you to tell me, in each case, is the A increasing or decreasing? Is the percentage change? And what could be a scenario? So this is going to be like words. You're going to write basically a sentence or two about a situation that would then lead to the equations that are given in parts A and B. So you're supposed to describe in words a situation that would lead you to this equation, 520 times 1.058 to the t. This is important. I want you to work together and talk with each other, but no two students should be turning in the same situation. So change some of the details, make it your own. For number 3, you are to rank these graphs. So there's the dotted one, the dashed one, and the solid one, based on what their A and B values are. So in part A, you rank the A's. So you'll write here either solid, dashed, or dotted in each of those spaces, and then a description of your reasoning. Over here, same thing. You're going to rank the B values this time, solid, dashed, or dotted, and then a description of how you made that choice. And then lastly, average rate of change is a pretty important concept in math and science. So here's a brief example explanation of how you determine rate of change, average rate of change. And then I'm giving you an equation and an interval. So like in this example up here, the equation was f of x equals 1/2 times 1.8 to the x power. And the interval was from -1 to 2. That's where these two x values came from. The y's came from putting those x's into the equation and seeing what comes out. And then you just find the slope between them. We did that last semester. That shouldn't be new. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 different slope calculations using these x values, so different x values each case. And same thing down here, new equation, new x values to use. Now in each case, read the instructions. You are to make a table like this, and you are to show this calculation. So writing just an answer is not good enough. I need to see the table, and I need to see the calculation.